Making a handmade gift for someone special should be heartwarming, but my story took an unexpected turn. I spent weeks crafting a beautiful family photo quilt for my mother's birthday, carefully selecting precious memories of our family throughout the years. I've always had a severe phobia of dogs, which my family knows well. Despite this, my mother treats our family dog like her actual child, cooking special meals, buying fast food, and giving countless presents. She even calls it her youngest son. When I presented the quilt featuring photos of her human children and family moments, her initial smile quickly faded. She looked disappointed and said it was cruel of me to exclude her youngest. Most photos I chose were from years ago, before they even got the dog. My dad supported my decision, saying the quilt was beautiful. However, my brother was furious, claiming I couldn't leave out family members from a family-themed gift. My mother hasn't touched the quilt since then and has become distant with me. The house is filled with framed photos of the dog, with barely any pictures of her human children displayed. I just wanted to create something meaningful to remind her of her human family.